Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about our journal making kit that will teach you how to do the braided stitch. It comes in 4 sizes, and this is a totally unique stitch. And I learned this stitch so many years ago before there was YouTube or anything like that. I learned it out of an obscure book, and it's been part of our journal line for over 20 years. Now, the instructions you're going to get with it are not written, but they're video instructions. So here, check them out. Okay, so here they are, the 4 sizes, and you can see the braid. There's one long braid on the companion size. There's 2 shorter braids on the Pathfinder size. The solo size has 2 longer braids, and the Da Vinci size has 3 braids on it. So you can see how that looks. It's a cool stitch. Okay, so the 4 sizes, I'll go over them again. Our companion size is 3.5. This is the sheet size, not the overall size. 3.5 wide by 4 3/4 high. The Pathfinder size is 4 3/4 wide. That's the sheet size by 6.5 high. The solo size is 5.5 by 8.5. It's 1/2 the sheet size of a sheet of copy paper, I guess. And the Da Vinci size is 9 by 11. All right, so those are the 4 sizes. Now, what do you get in the kit? Okay, so with the kit, you get a pre-punched cover, just like that. And because it's so symmetric, we have a way of showing you where the top is, so everything lines up when you sew in your pre-punched pages, okay? We'll explain all that in the instructional video. So you get the cover, which is full grain Italian leather. It's about 2.2 millimeters thick. It's a rustic brown. The paper we use is Arche text wove. It comes from France, and we hand tear it all. There's 120 pages, where one side of one sheet equals 1 page. You get 3 threads for it to sew it up, and you get 6 needles, because that's what it takes. Now, this kit it's okay for beginners. It's really, if you've sewn up 1 or 2 of our books already, this will be a great next step. But if not, if this is your first experience, you'll still do it. It'll just take a little more time. And to help you, we have the second Saturday of every month, we have a Make It With Arthur workshop. It's 2 hours long, and it's there to make your kits with you. That's the primary focus of it. And then every Wednesday, we have a weekly Wednesday workshop. If you can make that at the apex of the day, it's 11:30 Mountain Time, and it lasts for half an hour. So we have those resources to help you. Plus, you can always email us. All right, now, the last cool thing about these kits is they pair up great with our pouch kits. We introduced these leather pouch kits a while ago, and let me just show you. So the small pouch, the companion size, fits right inside, and you can also fit a few other things in there too. Your phone, a wallet, credit card stuff, all that. And then these have a stud closure, and these are ones you make yourself. This pouch is under $20, by the way, as a kit. Okay, the medium will hold the Pathfinder size journal, just like that. And same deal. There is room for other stuff inside of there, you could see. All right. The large pouch will hold your solo size journal. It's like that. I mean, these are like perfect fits. And so then again, you can also put other stuff in there. So there's just like a nice little grab and go thing. You can just carry it with you as you go anywhere, to the store or anywhere. You can probably put a little book in there too to read. And then the last one, the Da Vinci size, which has a 9 by 11 sheet size, will fit into our large or extra large pouch. And in here, you could fit like a 13-inch MacBook will fit in there. Certainly any sort of a tablet will fit in there, and other accessories. So there's a lot of extra room in this for you. So that's our product. The pouches don't come with it, but we do offer them as another kit. So there's the Da Vinci size, the solo size, which is 5.5 by 8.5 sheet size. Pathfinder size here, which is a 4 3/4 by 6.5 inch sheet size, and the smallest one, which is a nice pocket size, especially if you got cargo pants. This is a great little book that you can make and then just slide in and out of your cargo pants. And that is our companion size, and it's 3.5 by 4 3/4 inch sheet size. And that's it. Once you purchase it, you will have your video instructions in a playlist, and you'll have those forever. We'll send you an email with those, and then we'll also send you an email with links to our weekly Wednesday workshop and our monthly Make It With Arthur 2-hour-long workshop, where we focus on getting your kits made. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.